What's up, gang? You feel me? What's up, y'all? It's your girl June. I'm back with another freaking raw freaking video. You heard me? Your girl June is back with another freaking raw freaking video. Alright, by the title, y'all already know what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to apply lashes. But before we get started the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Alright, so the lashes I'm using today is the 3D Meat lashes that I got from my beauty supply store. The thing that I got them in is 02. Personally, these are my favorite pair of lashes. You know, these best ones. I've been using these for a while. And yeah, these lashes are very, very cute to me. Yeah. And the glue that I'm going to be using is the Broadway Lash Adhesive Glue. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is apply my glue to my lash line. Not all over the eyelashes, because you don't need your eyelashes to be sticking together. Boom. You don't need to be sticking together. So you just go apply it to the eyelash glue on the right side. Okay, and a point that I want to put out there is like, if you got a short side and then a long side on your eyelash, you always put the short side towards your nose, like in the inside. So that way it won't be long and then short, but it's supposed to be short and then long. You feel me? Okay, so I'm just blowing it with my breath. I'm just trying to allow the glue to dry out some so it can kind of get that little stick feeling. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so now it's time to apply the eyelash. Okay, my eyelash is long, so I have to squeeze my eye down a little bit. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the eyelash to my eyelid. Exactly where my eyelashes is. Not on top of my eyelashes, but on my eyelid behind my eyelashes. Then I'm going to push it down to allow it to stay. If you feel as your eyelashes are not comfortable, you can adjust them to how you want them. I usually also cut off a little tiny small part of the front so it won't be poking me in my eye when I blink or whatever. But you just want to make sure they're secure, so I keep on pushing them down just a little bit. Not too much pressure. Not too much pressure, but just enough. Alright, gang, so now just basically repeating my steps. You know the usual, the usual. First, I'm gonna apply my glue to the right side of my eyelash. Then I'm gonna blow it so it can dry some, you feel me? Then third, I'm going to apply it to my eye, and I'm gonna apply it with pressure, so therefore, it can stick. Now don't be think I don't know how to do eyelashes now just because I got the glue on my eyelid, you feel me? Don't worry about that. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna show you how to clean it up. Alright, gang, so now it's time to clean up, the glue that was on my eyelid, this, that, and third, that may be on yours too. You feel me? What I like to do, I like to wait until the glue dries and then rub it off with my finger. That's basic, easy step. A baby know how to do that. Do not rub your eyelash because it's a possibility that you could rub it off too hard. Or rub it off, you feel me? Yeah. Shut up, it. Yo, before you let's start this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let me know how I did. And also let me know how y'all did also. Mwah. I just met her one day and I gave her a nickname. And I traced the whole scenery. One time she can't stop calling me. The business, you know how I do, yeah. Way up to rise, so good, Miss Lady, kinda like it.